ProLift wire rope clips. These wire rope clips are the semi-permanent and quality solution for splicing wire rope. They're made from high-quality carbon steel for long service life and hot-dip galvanized to provide high corrosion resistance. Check out our wire rope clip guide for best selection and installation practices. Our customers choose ProLift wire rope clips to create safe eye splices and wire rope rigging for professional and long-lasting suspension assemblies. Choose from sizes ranging from 1/16 to 1 inch. Each size coincides with the appropriate wire rope diameter. The standard wire rope clips and double saddle wire rope clips meet or exceed ASME B30.26 standards and U.S. Federal Specification FFC 450. Zinc-plated malleable wire rope clips should be used for non-critical applications only and are not to be used for overhead lifting. When it comes to quality splicing, ProLift wire rope clips are your trustworthy splicing solution. Shop wire rope clips at E-Rigging.com.